Hi everyone. Okay, so with straight backs, I usually start with the middle part. The reason I start with the middle part, that way it'll ensure that all of my braids are straight and even the way I want it. I know some people start braiding to the side, like ear to ear when they're doing straight backs, but that does not work for me because my hair is gonna end up looking all crooked. So to have your hair straight and neat and not looking zigzag, you start with the middle part, like I'm doing right now. The front of my hair is longer than the back. I think the back of my hair is probably like half an inch or maybe an inch blown out, but it's very short. I'm always chopping off my hair. So I'm applying edge control or hair jam to get cleaner parts. Like this part is fine. It's absolutely fine, nothing wrong with it, but I'm just extra and I like clean, crisp parts. So if you want that clean, crisp part, you apply edge control or hair jam and you just go over the part. It looks nice and clean, you see? Right there. Okay, and the back is parted straight as well. Okay, great. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my whole head before I start braiding. I find that easier for me. If that doesn't work for you, then that's fine. You could part and braid as you go along, but for this particular style, I want to section off everything, and then once I start braiding, I'll just braid without having to stop. Okay, so I'm parting my hair again, and then I'm just gonna add the edge control to get cleaner parts. I usually use my fingers as a reference for the back of my hair to make sure it's parted straight. I could usually feel it if it's crooked or not. And then what I do is I would stand in front of a mirror, back towards the mirror, and use a handheld mirror and just check to see if it's straight or not. So there you go, my hair is all sectioned out and I'm ready to braid. So this braid I got online. You can't really go in stores at the moment. So I just went on Amazon and got this ombre black to gray. The brand is called Miss Bell. So it's 24 inches and there's like 5 pieces in a pack. It's really reasonably priced. I think I paid like $24 for it. I'm not sure. Usually I use expressions, but this is sort of, it's similar to. Okay, so I did one side of my head. It's already done. So I'm just going to demonstrate to you how I do the braiding with the other part of my head. So this is the rack that I use to section off my hair. So I section off the thickness, the hair based on the thickness that I want, and then I use that piece that I separated, and I separate it into smaller pieces. I'll put in a video so you could see what I mean. So for the braiding, this is a technique that I follow. So I start braiding my own hair. I count 1, 2, or sometimes 3, and then I add in the extensions. Count 1, 2. So that's braiding. So you braid 1, 2, add the extension again. So I'm gonna keep doing that technique until all the pieces are done, and then braid my hair all the way down. Okay, so add in a piece of hair, and 1, 2. You have to have a technique so that your hair is all uniformed and looks the way you want it to look, and the size as well. 1, 2, and then I add extensions. So make sure when you're adding the extension, you pull your hand through the extensions too, or else it'll get tangled. So I'm trying to detangle. I believe I added 11 pieces. Let's say between 9 to 11 pieces. I didn't count. But I'm all done, the pieces, so I'm just braiding all the way down to finish the braid. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm applying mousse to my hair to set it. Then I'm gonna do my edges, wrap it, and then tie it to set it. You don't have to put mousse if you don't want to, but I choose to.